Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Bluetooth in Ford Ecosport. Start by powering on the car and enabling Bluetooth on your phone, then set the car stereo to pairing mode. Open your phone settings, scan for nearby devices, and select the listing labeled Ecosport or Sync. If a PIN appears, confirm it on both screens or enter 0000 if prompted. Once paired, test audio and phone calls to confirm the connection is complete. Follow these steps and pairing becomes quick and painless. With the car in accessory or ignition mode, navigate to the Sync phone menu and choose Add Device. On your phone, choose the corresponding Ecosport listing and verify any prompted PIN numbers match. If prompted, allow access to contacts and messages so hands-free calling works. After successful pairing, set the Ecosport as a trusted device to reconnect automatically when nearby. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more helpful tutorials. Quick recommendation. I recently enjoyed The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can truly change how you think about money and long-term choices, and it pairs well with learning practical skills like car tech. Check the description for the link and special deals, then grab a copy if interested. Now let's get back to the video. If pairing fails, stay calm and try a few practical fixes. Restart your phone and cycle the car power to refresh Bluetooth services, then retry pairing. Remove any previously paired phones from the sync list that you no longer use, as too many devices can block new connections. If problems persist, check for updates for your phone and car system, and consult the manual for model-specific steps or reset procedures to restore default Bluetooth settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.